Hello Libra, so this one is for you, and let's see how's the second half of November 2024 is going to be for Libra. How the second half of November 2024 is going to be for Libra. How the second half of November 2024 is going to be for Libra. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it's about gratitude and empathy. Yes, like all of the signs. So far, I have done the reading. There's something related to like spirituality. Okay, so yes, gratitude, and it says, I am thankful for this life and the opportunities that it presents. And the second one says, empathy. I am open to seeing both sides of a situation. That is what Libra is, right? Balance, equilibrium, right? That is what Libra's like characteristic, right? I'm open to like seeing both sides of a situation, and at the same time, this always says about like when you are grateful, when you vibrate in the energy of gratefulness, that is when you manifest more. So first of all, I feel like you're going to manifest something in your life in this upcoming days of November, and also for that you need to be grateful. And also, before taking the final decision, you need to be like you need to see the both sides of that situation. So be aware, okay, Libra. Now let's see from my Moonology deck that how's the second half of November 2024 is going to be for Libra. How this second half of November 2024 is going to be for Libra. How the second half of November 2024 is going to be for Libra. Okay, so how the second half of November 2024 is going to be for Libra. Let's see. Okay, so yes. Sorry. Take time to breathe out. So, this decision that you need to see both the sides about, right? So, don't panic, because if you will panic, then you won't be able to see both the sides, right? You won't be able to judge it by seeing both the sides. You need to be Libra here, okay? You need to be real Libra here, okay? So don't panic, just breathe out. You can do it, okay? You can do it, Libra. So see, I think something is going on in your life, in your career, your love life, where you need to take some kind of decision before this and come into the energy of gratefulness, like for already what you have. Then only your life is going to change. You need to take this decision that you're going to do it. You're going to do it. You need to like take this decision first. That is why it's not decided yet. It's that like the energy is there, but it's not decided yet, and you need to make this adjustment, that I just talked about, okay, Libra. So calm down, don't panic, just take this decision. You will have to, like, even if it's about proceeding in your path, career or love life, whatever it is, you just need to take that decision that I will carry on, I will do this, I can do this. Your path is hindered by this decision, this pending decision, okay? So let's take some messages from the fairies about how the second half of November 2024 is going to be for Libra. How this second half of November 2024 is going to be for Libra. How this second half of November 2024 is going to be for Libra. Yes. So, how the second half of November 2024 is going to be for Libra. Okay, the card I just saw and put it back. I think I should have taken that. It's about moderation. Moderation, it basically says about your diet. So, probably you may face some kind of dietary issues, like you may face an like upset stomach or something like that. So take care of your diet. Okay, so now let's see. Also, my sister is Libra. Right, so let's see. Inner child, tree wisdom, go outside. Let's see what it says. Inner child, the fairies of playfulness remind you to make time to embrace your inner child. Playing keeps us young at heart. Do something silly and fun, but stay safe. Yes, I know you need to take this decision, like to keep going, to like keep doing whatever you are, like whichever path you are on. Okay, you need to take this decision. You need to keep going, but at the same time, don't get like over obsessed or over indulged in your path that you forget that you also need some time to take rest, right? Remember that card, like take time to breathe out, right? So that is also important, because whenever this type of energy is here, that you need to keep going, you need to keep doing this, you need to carry on. This energy is very much important. At the same time, that you also find some time for your playfulness, for your own happiness, because otherwise this energy of keep going is not going to work for you, right? Tree wisdom, this tree trade will help you navigate through your current situation. Her flute can reveal insights and answers through the sounds it makes. First of all, I feel like you need to spend some time in the nature, because the next card is talking about this situation. You are so much burdened right now. You need to take some time out. You need to breathe out. You need to indulge in playfulness as well with your path also, because first of all you need to take this decision of keep going, doing whatever you are the path you are on, but at the same time taking rest, being playful is also important for you. Okay, so Libra, be a Libra here and balance these two situations, right? You need to do that. And nature is going to be is going to play a very important role. You need to go to nature, if possible sit down under a tree if that kind of situation is available for you, or sit somewhere where there is nature or even a piece of it. Okay, so sit there, spend some time, practice grounding meditations. Okay, so yes, and also I feel like when you will sit in the nature, you will realize many things. You will realize many things. You will see many signs, like you will see something and you will realize, okay, so I was thinking about this and I got the answer. So that kind of energy, and Libra, right? When you are in that kind of situation, you need to be there to get the answer. Not any tarot reader, not any friend, not anybody else. You need to be there. But do sit in nature, because I feel like you're going to get some kind of answers there. Okay, so let's take some message from Divine Abundance. So, how this second half of November 2024 is going to be for Libra? How this second half of November 2024 is going to be for Libra? How this second half of November 2024 is going to be for Libra? How this second half of November 2024 is going to be for Libra? How this second half of November 2024 is going to be for Libra? The first card says your path, and it says that, dear Lord, help me trust that there is a plan for beyond what I can see through my fears and illusions. Yes, you're sometimes panicked, you're sometimes scared, worried, like about what's going on, but you are not taking that decision of keep going. And when you are taking that decision, you are like so indulged in that you are forgetting that you need rest too. Yes, so believe that there is a plan much more higher and bigger than what you can see through your fears and illusions. Fear is that factor that creates illusion, right? So yes, please believe that God's plan is always better than yours, and that is going to always work for you. So the next card says extraordinary. Yes, there is a wild and impetuous uniqueness to you that deserves to be honored. Yes, and I think this path that card is talking about, you already know about this. You know in your mind, you are already interested in that path, you are already working in that path, you are already like in your mind dreaming about that situation, that when I will achieve this, I'll be there, or when I'll be with this person, I'll feel like this. So yes, Libra, you know what your uniqueness is, and that is your path. If you're confused about that, Ashmita, you are talking about I need to take that decision, I need to do this and that, but what is my path? So the hint here is that is your path that involves your uniqueness, your own uniqueness, like you are so fluent in this path. Okay, sometimes you're confused that, oh, am I that much fluent? But you are. You need to be Libra here. Trust me, you need to be Libra here. Okay, so that is your path, and this is a hint for you. So obviously we need courage, right? We need courage to follow our dream. We need courage to follow our path. We need courage to keep going. We need courage to take some time out for playfulness and rest when we are so indulged in our path, right? So courage is going to be very important for you. And yes, see, let me be open to courageously take the steps that are shown. You need courage for this path, okay? That is very much important. And depending, once you are on earth for enough lifetimes, your old soul will begin to long for non-grasping detachment and surrender. They bring the peace of God. Yes, you need detachment from your attachments, I guess. Like if you're attached to somebody or some people or something or anything, that you are so attached to all these things that they are becoming like a hindrance in your path. So you need detachment, you need solitude, you need like surrender. You're like, yes, I'm surrendering to God, but you are not surrendering. You are so controlling, like if anything goes wrong, you forget being a Libra. But you need to realize that first, Libra, and bring this balance. You can do it because you are so like, that is your need. Being in balance is your nature, right? So I know you can do this. So first, work with your attachments. You need detachment, okay? Work with your attachments so that you can be detached to all those things or people that which is not serving in your path, okay? So I'm not asking you to leave them or leave that thing or leave doing that. You just need to be detached. Be with them, love them, well, or keep doing whatever you want to do, but at the same time, detachment is necessary. Okay, so yes, and let's take one last message from this deck. Okay, how's the second half of November 2024 is going to be for Libra? How this second half of November 2024 is going to be for Libra? How this second half of November 2024 is going to be for Libra? How this second half of November 2024 is going to be for Libra? Okay. How this second half of November 2024? Oh my god, that's a lot. Give me 1 second. I'll just come back. So yes, my cards fell down, so I had to pick them up. Actually, I asked my sister to pick them up. Now she is angry on me. Anyways, let's see. Yes, see. Release the old and rest. You need to release your attachments, Libra. You really need to release your attachment. And also take some rest before taking that decision. Okay, so you already know about it. Like Libra, you already know that this is your situation and you need to do this. You already know about it. So trust that inner knowing. And also, you need to trust the unknown, because life is not predictable, right? Life is always unpredictable. So embrace unpredictability. Okay, that is what you needed, because that is what you need, right? Because if you will embrace the unknown, then this fear that what's going to happen next and what it's also going to be easier for you to work with your attachments, right? If you will embrace the unknown, because life is always unpredictable. You will never know that what's going to happen next. That is the beauty of life. Okay, so move beyond ancestral patterns. So yes, this pattern of yours is related to your family, your ancestors. Like you are going, if you will take this decision and do whatever is necessary, and if you will take the steps, then you are actually going to be successful, and also you will be breaking some kind of ancestral pattern that is there in your bloodline. Okay, this could be from your maternal side as well. Go within your current situation. Yes, I think that's very direct, right? Go within your current situation, because there only you will find that what you need to do. Libra, you need to do it. You need to take this decision. You need to just start it already. Trust and thrive. Yes, trust is needed. Move in a new direction. Yes, this is your direction, and you need to move towards it. Okay, trust the process, Libra. Enjoy success and happiness. See, if you will do this, you are going to be successful. I told you, right? I told you, you're going to be successful. Just go for it. Don't get panicked. Don't get afraid. You are going to be successful. Just take this decision, please. Okay. And yes, I do think that you are going to, by taking this decision and by doing all these things, you're going to break a pattern, an ancestral pattern that is from your maternal side. Enjoy growth and reap rewards. Yes, your path is stuck because of this situation. I told you, go for it and do it. Trust me, do it, Libra, do it. You are going to be successful. And yes, I think it's about your career. I think, I do think it's about your career. And you need to heal this ancestral pattern, trauma, attachment, I guess. And you need to shed this old skin. Go for it, Libra. Don't stop yourself for anything. Harness mystic power. Yes, you are stuck. Your life is not moving in the direction you want just because you are not doing it. You are not letting it move. You are the one who is stopping it. Don't stop it. Don't stop it. Go for it, Libra. All the best. And I love you, Libra. Take care. Bye bye.